Surfshark is great for beginners because it's easy to try out, and not just for 7 days like most trials. Today, I'm going to show you how to make the most of your free time with Surfshark and how you can keep using it for free even long after the Surfshark free trial expires. If you want to keep using it afterwards, I'm going to also include exclusive Surfshark discounts in the description below. So I know some of you are asking, is Surfshark free trial worth the bother when there are free VPNs out there? Well, most free VPNs just won't be able to compete. So Surfshark has undergone extensive audits to prove that it is effective, non-invasive, and doesn't log user data. It also provides one of the fastest performance on the market and a solid array of servers. But that's just what you see on paper. Surfshark wants you to test these premises in reality. Thus, the Surfshark 7-day free trial exists. Two important notes here. First, you can get the trial only if you go for the annual or biannual plans. Second, the trial can only be started on mobile devices, but you can continue on a desktop after your account is created. So this is how to get Surfshark for free. Step 1. Start with either Google Play or App Store, search for Surfshark, and you're going to find this logo. Install the app through the store and open it. On your first launch, you're going to be prompted to sign up for a 7-day free trial. Keep in mind that you will have to input your payment details and email address here. If you don't see a trial option, that might be because it's not your first time here. Surfshark remembers devices and accounts that have already used the trial, so you can't do it a second time. Once you set up your trial, remember that your paid subscription will begin in 7 days. So you're going to have a chance to cancel before that week runs out, or you will get charged. But either way, that's a free week of Surfshark usage, all for your benefit. But that's really just the beginning. Surfshark is a provider with a full, no questions asked, 30-day money-back guarantee. So even if your subscription begins after the trial, you still have a month to roll back and get your money refunded. This guarantee works on any device and is automatically applied to any plan that you choose. So you just have to remember that you need to request the cancellation and refund on the same platform where you began your journey. So if you use the free trial for the full 37-day free Surfshark experience, you will have to contact Google Play or Apple App Store to request a refund. Oh, and a master tip: if you want maximum value for the price from your Surfshark subscription, use the discount code in the description or just scan this QR code and you're going to save a lot on your purchase. But hey, why even purchase, right? Is Surfshark even good enough to stick with? Absolutely. And not just for all the VPN features. I mean, sure, Surfshark is one of the fastest VPNs, using modern encryption technologies and offering the most sought after features, be it multi-hop, split tunneling, or anything else. But more importantly, it's now a whole cybersecurity suite since Surfshark Antivirus was just added to the package. So yeah, you heard that right. Surfshark has an industry-recognized antivirus solution that passed accreditation and still costs only a fraction of what a standalone antivirus would normally cost you. So on top of that, Surfshark offers the alternative ID tool that masks my emails and personal details when I sign up for websites, so I can stay completely anonymous online. The most expensive plan also includes Incogni. That's a data removal tool that contacts data brokers on my behalf and forces them to delete my data. All those features add tremendous value to Surfshark's already affordable price, making the resulting price to value ratio really impossible to beat. And I haven't even mentioned that you can get Surfshark for free for longer than 37 days, thanks to the Refer and Earn program. So if any of your friends use your referral link to get a monthly Surfshark subscription, both you and them will get a free month of subscription. And if they get an annual plan, both of you get 3 months for free. That's 1 year per 4 friends. Yeah. So if you can convince 4 people a year to get a VPN with all those benefits, you get it for free indefinitely. Just keep making friends. Okay, if you enjoyed this Surfshark free trial overview, leave a like and subscribe for more VPN, antivirus, and other cybersecurity content. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your time with Surfshark. See you soon.